Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take full advantage of your key card credit card very effectively. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on their official website. So these are the 7 tips to effectively manage your credit cards. So the first tip is to pay on time every time. The second tip is to aim to pay full balance every month. The third step is to review credit card terms and conditions. The fourth step is to use credit card rewards to your benefit. So the fifth step is to stay below your credit card limit. The sixth step is to review credit card statements. The seventh is set up spending alerts. So if you follow all of these tips, guys, your credit card will be in good standing and you'll have good credit score, and you will also receive credit rewards which you can use to your benefit. So if you have a credit card that offers rewards such as cashback, you might be able to apply rewards toward your account balance or even deposit them into a savings account. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. By the way, this may also increase your credit card limits. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.